fast-paced, energetic game that involves acting out words, phrases, and even entire scenarios without speaking. It takes the classic charades to a whole new level of silliness and fun. It is perfect and fun way to spend time with friends and family.
Here are the mechanics on how to play the game. First, prepare the word, write down a variety of words, phrases, or scenarios on separate pieces of paper. You can choose from a pre-made list or come up with your own ideas. 2. Divide your circle into 2 or more teams.
Each team must choose a representative that would draw a word from the hat. The player then has to mime the word or phrase without speaking. Guessing team. The player teammates have to guess what the word or phrase is.
Set the time limit for each round. Example, 3 or more minutes for each word. The team that guesses the most word or phrases correctly within the time limit wins the round. The game is continuous if they guess the words correctly and the time is still running. The representative can still draw another word from the bowl of the word and act out of the word drawn until the time stops. The team will serve as the timer of the player of the team.
What are the benefits of this game? First is boost your mood. Second is improve your communication. And last, encourage creativity. Prepare the following equipments for this game. First is a stack of paper for writing down words, phrases, or scenarios. Second is pens or pencils for writing down. And third, a hat or bowl to hold a piece of paper.
These are the basic rules you must follow to enjoy the game. Number 1. Miming skills. Use your best mime skills to act out the words or phrase within 3 minutes. Be creative and expressive. More points, more chance of winning. Number 2. Teamwork. Work together to guess the words of phrase. Especially number 3. Have fun. Embrace the silliness and enjoy the mime-tastic playing.
This is the laws. Number 1, no speaking. Players cannot speak during the meme challenge. Number 2, no pointing. Players cannot point at objects or people to give clues. Number 3, no cheating. Play fair and honestly.
Violation. If the representative player is break during the mime challenge, their team loses a point. Pointing. If the representative player point an object or people to give clue, their team loses a point. Unsportsmanlike conduct. Disrespecting other player while they were on the game will result in a point deduction of the team score.
Scoring system. 1. Each correctly guessed word or phrase earns a team 1 point. More words guessed within 3 minutes, more chances of winning. Number 2. Bonus points. Teams can earn 1 additional bonus for guessing 5 or more words or phrases. We play within 3 minutes.
3 penalty points. Team lose 1 point of the representative player is speaking while doing the meme, pointing, or unsportsmanlike conduct. 4. The team will have the highest score at the end of 3 minutes will win the game.
Water.
Outro, outro. Sayop. Sayop.